Hey guys, it's Kiera, and today we're going to be doing prime factorization. Prime factorization is where you pick a number and you make a factor tree to look at all the factors in your number. We're going to be looking at 36. There are lots of ways to make 36, but we're going to be looking at 6 times 6. So, 6 and 6. Okay, 6 and 6 are composite numbers, so you have to break them up more. So, 2 times 3 makes 6. You have to do that for the other 6 too. 2 and 3. Okay, now 2 and 3 are prime numbers. You cannot break them up anymore. So now you know that all the numbers to make 36 are in your factor tree. Now, you cannot break it down anymore, but if you could, you would continue until you couldn't. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you watch more, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.